Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to thank Tekwalks, a website and app development company, for sponsoring me and enabling me to create this video. Today, we're diving into the world of local development with a guide on installing the latest Xampp server version on a Mac or Windows computer. Whether you're a web developer, a student, or just curious about how websites work, Xampp is a powerful tool for creating a local server environment on your Windows machine. You can host and deploy any web-based application without the internet after installing the Xampp server. Watch the tutorial until the end to gain full knowledge and skills on Xampp. Guys, by subscribing to my channel and liking the video, you motivate and support me to create more videos. However, if you have any technology problems or website development issues, leave them in the comment section so I can give you a guided tutorial to help you. This is a full Xampp tutorial course tutorial. Subscribing to the channel will help you get more hacks on Xampp server practices. Let's start by looking at what Xampp is and where it is used. Xampp is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache. It consists mainly of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for PHP and Perl scripts. When we say Xampp, generally, X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M stands for MySQL, P stands for PHP, and the last P stands for Perl. It's a free and open-source software bundle that creates a local server environment on your computer. This means you can develop and test websites without needing an internet connection. Generally, Xampp is widely used for web development, providing an easy-to-install Apache web server environment that includes PHP, MySQL, and Perl. Search for Xampp download in the web browser such as Chrome. Click the first download Xampp link that appears in the search results. In the description and comment, I have placed a link direct to the Xampp download page. I already downloaded my file to install and I saved it in the desktop. Launch and ignore the notification prompts. Click Next and choose the components you want to install. By default, the installation wizard has the major components correctly chosen and marked. Now locate the installation path. You want to install the Xampp server files in the computer. For instance, I already have another Xampp server files in my local disk C path. So, I have to delete them to make a clean file installation. When I say clean installation, I mean new installation. You will have to wait some seconds to allow complete installation. After the installation, navigate to the local disk C in your Windows machine to ensure the file Xampp is available. Now, let's launch our local server and install the various components of Xampp, such as MySQL, etc. In my case, I've used my search bar to get the installed lab program. Run as administrator to give it all rights. When you launch the Xampp server, you will find blue lines that shows Xampp Apache is already running on a certain port. This shows that you have successfully installed the locale server. In Xampp, you have to start the Apache and MySQL ports and modules to official startup, the entire our local server. You will notch a red lines commands in the status change detected section. Therefore, if you are unable to start the modules, Apache and MySQL, stop the process in the task manager. To open the task manager, in your keyboard, hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Choose the Xampp process and end task. Now you can relaunch your Xampp server to install the Apache and MySQL modules. In Xampp control panel, under the Action section, Stop the modules so that you can successfully install all the modules such as Apache and MySQL. Guys, thank you for watching. To show great support, subscribe and like. You can reach MRE via my email for further partnering. nation@tekwalks.com.